Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Way, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Infiniti Q50 GT, stock reference number 4038. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2014 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end and the left hand side. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard has one small dent. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.